Sometimes I don't remember. I say this one before, but sometimes I too much time when I am driving. Too much time for the thinking everything. So I think I don't know is the very good decision. Leave everything and arrive here to the pair. Leave my friends. Leave everything there. This what is the problem when I am driving. When you are driving, the problem is you have too much time for thinking everything. So, from my perspective, is a problem or not. You need the win the game between you and your brain. Is the more important. Is the tip. Is the tip. You need to win the game between you and your brain. You versus your brain. You will be strong. You take a decision, continue, will be strong. New future, new things for to do. Believe in your instinct, and that's it. I am here almost in Esperanza. Esperanza, Western Australia. You know, it's Esperanza, but it's Esperance. Maybe Esperance in English. Maybe the most beautiful beach in Australia. 1 to 5. Almost like that, because the North Territory too many good beach. But here, maybe ChatGPT, no, because I don't sure it's true or not. Just I need go and I see the beach and putting in the beach as well. So getting in the ocean, getting in the sea. I need the water touch my body, the water left maybe 2 days. I didn't take a shower. Well, I feel much better when I conversation with these memories. And what else? Yes, you need to change the mentality, think it what happened next. You don't think in money because